Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss 15th question. A dice is thrown twice. What is the probability that first one, 5 will not come up either time it should not get, and second one, 5 will come up at least once. What is the hint? Throwing a die twice and throwing two dice simultaneously are treated as the same experiment. So two dice same and two times same thing. So let's going to take two times, right? So for the first time dice, first time, this is second time. Let's going to take this is second time. So what is the sample space for the first one dice? Sample space 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the possible outcomes. Then what is the second time? What are the possible outcomes? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the case. So here what is the number of possible outcomes total? Total will be n of s will be equal to, so n of s1 into n of s2. So this is the possible outcomes. So 6, how many are there? 6 into 6, we will get it as 36. So these are the cases. N of s will be equal to 6 into 6, 36. That is, let's going to take event that denotes come up with at least once. So let's going to take event that denote 5 will come up at least once. So let's going to write event that will at least once. The first 1 comma 5, then 2 comma 5, then 3 comma 5. So how we are writing 3 comma 5 1? First one may be 3, second one may be 5. Then let's take 4 comma 5. Then what you can write it? 4 comma 5, then 5 comma 5, then 6 comma 5. Then first one you can take it as 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, then 5 comma 3, then 5 comma 4, then 5 comma 5. Already we are written. So how many times you can write? Only one time you can write. 5 comma 5 already we taken here. Then 5 comma 6. How many are there? N of e at least one time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11 times we will get. So first one and second one. So first we are going to solve second one. Probability that 5 will come up at least once. So that is the probability of getting at least once. That is n of e by n of s. So n of e is 11 by 36. So this is the probability at least one. So first one you can write the sample space for that, or so probability, what you can write? Probability, first one, probability that 5 will not come up either time. That is p of e bar, that is p of not e. So what value we will get it here? So p of e plus p of e bar not e will be equal to 1. Then p of not e will be equal to not 5, right? So same the case. So that is p of e 1 minus 11 by 36. So 36 minus 11 by 36, we will get it as 25 by 36. 25 by 36. Or otherwise, we can go with the other method. So what is the probability that will not come up either time? So you need to write the combinations. So let's going to write p of e bar, e not 5. What you can take it? So either we will get 1 comma 1, 5 will not get, we should not get. Then 1 comma 1, then 1 comma 2, then 1 comma 3, then 1 comma 4, then 1 comma 6, 1 comma 6. Then what you can get it here? Either time 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, then 2 comma 3, then 2 comma 4, then 2 comma 6. So this is the combinations. then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, then 3 comma 3, then 3 comma 4, then 3 comma 6, then 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, then 4 comma 4, then 4 comma 6, then 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, then what sorry, here 5 we should not get, sorry, 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, then 6 comma 3, then 6 comma 4, then 6 comma 6. So how many possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And what value is there? Here 25. So all are 5 times is there. So this n of e bar will be equal to 25. So there is no 5 in this. This is also one more method. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Then what is the probability of getting p of e bar? That is n of e naught will be n of s. So what value we are getting? 25 by 36. Either you can calculate this way or you can calculate in this way. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members. Anyway, we have covered this chapter. See you in the next chapter. Thanks for watching.